Every time you open a bank account or join a crypto exchange, they ask for your ID, your face, and your personal data. You might think it's just bureaucracy, but there is a complex engine running behind the scenes. In my professional career, I've worked as a fraud prevention analyst, performing identity verification and document validation for the financial sector. Today, I'm taking you inside the security vault of the banking world to explain what KYC, Know Your Customer, actually is, why banks are obsessed with your data, and how this process protects you, and them, from fraud. What is an analyst looking for? When you upload your ID, we aren't just checking if it's you. We are looking at metadata, document security features, and consistency. Is the document real? We check for fonts, watermarks, and alignment. That selfie you take? It's a biometric scan to ensure you aren't a high-resolution photo or a deepfake. Your address and tax ID are checked against government databases to ensure the person exists. My job was to spot the 1% trying to bypass the system. Without KYC, money laundering and identity theft would be unstoppable. Banks categorize you. Are you a low-risk student or a high-risk corporate entity? This determines your limits and the level of monitoring on your account. The manual check. Even in 2026, AI isn't perfect. That's where documentation analysts come in, to catch the subtleties that machines miss. A common question I get, is my data safe? Once you pass the onboarding, your data is, usually, encrypted. But the risk isn't just the bank, it's the third-party verifiers. As we advocate here on this channel, you should only provide what is strictly necessary. Understand the terms and conditions before you click agree. Always use secure connections during onboarding. If you are uploading your passport over public Wi-Fi, you've lost the security battle before it even started. KYC isn't just a hurdle, it's a digital shield. Understanding how your documents are analyzed helps you protect your digital identity more effectively. If you value your privacy and want to master the tools that keep your digital life secure, like the password managers and protocols we discuss here, you are in the right place. Subscribe to Security Vault Z4 for more professional insights into cybersecurity and fraud prevention. Let's keep your digital world locked down. See you in the next video.